guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Plan With Me Monday. And this week my daughter will be coming home from college. She will be home for a month and then off to Chicago for an internship and missions trip. But my husband is flying out this week and they are both flying back on the 28th. So I'm really excited for that. And I was going through my Planner Society kit, the last one. I believe this is the last one I'll be receiving. I'm not sure. I think maybe there's one more. But anyways, this was the one from March. And it just had these really cute Volkswagen, a bug, and a little truck. And I just thought it was adorable because it had the luggage on top. And then there's this little die cut with the luggage, and it just reminded me of my daughter and how they're going to be packing everything up in her room and coming back home for a short time. So I just thought they were adorable. There's a couple cameras here that she just will be remembering her time at school, and she sends us pictures quite often. So I just thought this kind of reminded me of her and her experience in college. So I'll be using these pieces. I have some stickers here that I'll pull from. There is a piece of vellum that is the stacks of luggage there, and then this floral piece here that has that same mint green teal or aqua color as the flowers in the little Volkswagen truck there. So that's what I'm going to use, and we'll get things cleared off here and get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out really pretty. I love this paper kit from the Planner Society. I will put the link down for it below, so you can go ahead and check out their website and their planner kits. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next Monday for another Plan With Me video. Come back Wednesday for a Bible journaling video, and then every other day for a random crafty video. Go over to my Etsy shop. I'll put the link for that down below. You can check out some wonderful paper crafting items there. Follow me on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you again later. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.